Hello there, welcome back to Beauty Bee and to my Ipsy unboxing for the month of October of 2021. Of course, it's not really a box, it's a bag, but you know what, gotta get that search engine optimization, right? So, I actually got a really giant envelope this month, and then this unsealed envelope was inside. Hanging out outside of that envelope was an item that I redeemed my points for. This is the Foxy Bay 12-in-1 Magic Leave-In Hair Mask. I redeemed this about a month ago at this point because at that point I was really running pretty low on leave-in conditioner, and since then I've received a full-size leave-in conditioner from Influencer, so I probably wouldn't have picked this up now, but I am interested to give it a go, see how it works out for me, and I mean, I picked it, so that's on me. I think there were a couple other things that were floating outside of the actual bag, so let's pull those out. Yes, I purchased 2 add-ons this month. The first is from Tony Moly. This is their Plumpkin Retinol eye cream. I actually don't have an eye cream right now. I have a refreshing eye roll-on, which doesn't really do a whole lot. And I have tried, I think, 2 Tony Moly serums previously, both through Ipsy, and I've enjoyed them. Additionally, I had some Tony Moly face masks ages ago that actually gave me panic attacks, which is weird, but again, that's a me thing. I think they were overall kind of nice face masks. I thought that this was a really reasonable size. This is, I think, 10 mils. I'll check in a second. Feels nice. And it doesn't smell like pumpkin. That is the thing that I was kind of worried about. I really don't hate the smell of actual pumpkin, but those really fake fall scents are not my thing. And does it tell me how big this is? Yes, 10 mils. So that's 1/3 of a fluid ounce. It's not unusual to see full-size eye creams that are 1/2 ounce, so I thought for $3, this was a great bargain, and I think I'll really like that. This I am intending on giving away, so I'm not going to open it up. This is the Pistache Skincare Pistachio Oil Hydrating Hand Cream. Let's see, does it have a seal on it? Because if it doesn't, I'll sniff it, but I'm not going to open it. Yep, it's sealed. I think I'm going to give this probably to a family member as part of a stocking stuffer, so I was happy to be able to get it for $3, but it's not super exciting for this video. So now finally we get to the actual bag, which looks like this. It's got a shiny black exterior, and then it's got these vampire lips on it. They're a little bit raised, and yeah, not really my style, but I think that it's a cute version of what it is. It's got the lime green lipstick pull on it, which I think is actually pretty cute. And then we get to the products inside. Oh man, that is like a day glow green. I wonder if this glows in the dark. But let's just pull, actually I think that's the card, so let's pull that out first. Thank you. Pretty Wicked, fangs out, lipstick on. Lipstick? Fangs? No. And let's see. As usual, advertising. There are other bags. Not too worried about it. Okay, so right on top we have the Tipsy Lips Moisturizing Balm in Mojito. So I bet this is going to be really minty, isn't it? If it is, I'll just give it a sniff. I'll just give it to my sister. Oh yeah. Oh, that's very minty. If you like minty things, I'm sure that this is a big win. I just don't particularly, so My sister loves mint anything, and hey, that might pad out a stocking right there. Cool. Next up, we have the Mindful Bubble Cleanse Extra Clean. What brand is this? Chasing Rabbits, or actually Chasin' Rabbits. The Journey to Better Glow. So is this just a daily purifying cleanser? They kind of cheaped out on this. This is only 25 mils. Usually with these little sample size cleansers, you get a full ounce. Whereas this is 0.83 ounces. So bummer there. But what does it look like? Okay, gross. Ew, it looks like water. It looks like dirty gray water. I mean, I am good with having a cleanser around. I like these to travel with. Face cleanser is pretty much the only thing that I regularly take with me when I do travel. Not that I've done that recently. I feel like I make that point in all of these Ipsy videos. I feel like I get things that are great for travel, which would be great if I was still going places, but haven't been since I started getting Ipsy. Ooh, this one's big. I don't know what this is. Let's pull this out. Ooh, the Glimmer Shimmer Highlighter and Blush from Pacifica. Now, I have a Pacifica blush that I actually really, really like. So let's see what this looks like. Oh, it's a duo. Firelit and Glimmer Shimmer. So let's see if I can't open the box. That was more of a struggle than it probably should have been. Oh, very pretty. So here is what that is looking like. You have a little bit more of a golden highlighter and a little bit more of a pink blush. It's not sealed, so I'm at least going to pop it open. Yeah, I don't think I have anything super, super similar to these shades, so I will actually touch this. So we have a dusty pink blush, which looks like this, and this would be the shade. Oh, there's a mirror on the bottom. Did I blind you? Maybe. And there's this highlighter. Now, I can't say that this is probably going to be a great highlighter on me, though maybe I could make it work. Maybe I could sheer it out a little bit. But it is pretty, and I think it will at least make a really nice eyeshadow. And I'm actually running low on these kinds of sort of champagne gold eyeshadows. This is a little bit darker than I would say a true champagne is, but hey, I don't mind having a big pan of that at all. When I saw the spoiler online, I'd kind of forgotten that I saw the spoiler, but I did see it. I was kind of disappointed in this because I thought that this was going to be much too dark and this would look a lot like everything, a lot like blushes I already own. And honestly, yeah, but I don't know. I'm feeling good about it right now, so hopefully that continues. 2 items left, 3 items left. 2 items left. Let's go with this one first. Oh, is this a hand cream? Oh, the body cream. A warm and sweet orange moisturizer enhanced with aromatic notes of rosemary leaf. 1.3 ounces. This, I mean, maybe I'm being mean. I am, but you know what? It's fair. This is something I would get in a hotel. Yeah, and it's a body moisturizer. It's not even a hand cream. I don't love the scent of this. Bummer. I'm not doing great with this box so far. Really not doing well with this box so far. And the last item, oh, I would have picked this, wouldn't I? Yes, this is the Camelina and Strobe Luminizing Primer. This is from Seraphine Botanicals. I have a lip mask from Seraphine Botanicals, which I've used quite a bit of. I think it's a nice lip mask. I don't think it's worth, I think it's like $18 on their website or something. It's not worth that. I get the feeling that Seraphine Botanicals is very much a box brand, one of those brands where they tell you that everything is worth like $15, $22, but really, I don't think too many people purchase it outside of boxes. So let's open this one up and see what we've got. This is a ½ ounce. I do really like the packaging on it. Not that that is super important, but it's cute. Now let's see. Okay. I like that I can control how much I get out. Ooh, that's very lotiony. I don't know why that wasn't what I was expecting, but let's see. I think I got a little too much of that, but let's put it on my arm. It is glowy. It has kind of a peachy scent to it too. Let's try just a little on my cheekbones. I don't have any primer on. I just have my skincare on and a little bit of blush. Am I glowing or am I looking greasy? I'm not sure. Will at least even me out. And with that, I think that's everything I got in my bag. I'm not very happy with what I got this month. I think this is a big disappointment. This just seems like something I could get in a hotel. This seems like something I would steal from a hotel room. Actually, I probably wouldn't steal this because I probably would have smelled it while I was staying. Okay, not a big fan. The bubble cleanser I think will be useful, but it's not super exciting. The lip balm would be a good thing, I think, if I liked mint. I don't, though Ipsy has no way of knowing that. So at least it'll be a nice stocking stuffer for someone else. And then the two makeup products, the Luminizing primer, I will give the benefit of the doubt to, and then this Pacifica Duo, I actually think is pretty solid. I am pretty happy with this. I think this is the only real hit of this box. This one is kind of a question mark. And I do have a little bit of a rant in that Ipsy, when I made my choice, showed in their choice photos the new balm highlighter. I think it's Bolt, which is a yellow, and they showed in their images, and it wasn't a choice, and it wasn't an Add-Ons. I'm very, very upset with them because I wanted that. I was really excited when I saw that in the header for their choice options, and it just wasn't there. So I don't know if it wasn't there for anyone and they just messed up and added it to their image, or if they were just out to get me, but I'm gonna assume they were out to get me. Not really, but okay, so a little bit of a bummer. Thankfully, this is the only month that I've been disappointed thus far. Hopefully, Ipsy will make it up to me in December, but you'll have to let me know what you thought of this box. Did you get Ipsy this month? What did you think of it? Did they let you choose the balm highlighter? And if you did, have you tried it yet? Is it beautiful? Because I think it looks lovely. I think that brings us to the end of the video. Thank you so, so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed and that you'll consider liking and subscribing if you did. And I will see you next time. Bye!